Are you not able to find a replacement part for repairing your Crown Pump? Pump Products is your ideal destination. We've stocked ourselves with repair and replacement parts for all kinds of Crown Pumps. We've stocked ourselves with repair and replacement parts for all kinds of Crown Pumps from the manufacturer itself. Salvage your pumps and give them long life and high performance by selecting from our complete assortment of genuine replacement parts. The Crown Pump Parts and Repair Kits comprise a wide range of power drives with horsepowers ranging from 1 to 15 at 1750 RPM and frame sizes from 145T to 284T and more. Please browse through our online Crown Pump catalog so that you can select the right part without confusion. Manuals are also provided alongside to give you the detailed information. Our replacement parts are cost-effective and will add years to your pump with their robust quality. Pump Products is a leading Crown Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Crown Pumps and Parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.